Hello students, this is my second video of chemistry. In my first video, I had discussed chapter 1 matter and its composition. In this video, I am going to discuss exercises and answers based on this chapter. So first I shall discuss tick the correct. So first, which of the following is not a matter? A. Shadow, B. Chair, C. Toast, D. Juice. Correct answer is A. Shadow. Now second, what can be poured from one vessel to another? A. Solids, B. Fluids, C. Air, D. Water. So correct answer is B. Fluids. Now third, maximum intermolecular spaces are present between A. Solids, B. Liquids, C. Gases, D. All of the above. So correct answer is C. Gases. Fourth, physical states of matter can be interchanged by A. Heating, B. Cooling, C. Heating or cooling, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Heating or cooling. Now fifth, mixture of two phases A. Gas, B. Solid, C. Liquid, D. Vapor. Correct answer is D. Vapor. Now true false. First, solids have high densities, are rigid and hard. This statement is true. Now second, gaseous state have least kinetic energy. This statement is false. In place of least, we'll write highest. Now third, love, hate, shadow cannot be classified as matter. This statement is true. Now fourth, the process in which solid gets converted to liquid state is known as sublimation. This statement is false. In place of sublimation, we'll write melting. Now fifth, naphthalene and camphor are sublimable compounds. This statement is true. Now identify the state of matter. First, no fixed shape, fluids. Second, expands maximum on heating, gases. Now third, can be compressed easily, gases. Now fourth, have definite shape and volume, solids. Now fifth, have maximum density, solids. Now match the following. First, liquids and gases state are fluid state. Second, molecules are in random motion. Now third, liquids can be compressed slightly. Now fourth, solids have highest intermolecular forces of attraction. Now fifth, conversion of liquid into vapors, evaporation. Now answer the following questions. First, name two quantities which are not regarded as matter. Answer is love, hate. Any of the two you can write. Now second, how many states of matter does water exhibit? Answer is 3. These are solid, liquid, gas. Now third, name the state which cannot be compressed. Answer is solid. Now fourth, name the gas present in aerated drinks. Answer is carbon dioxide. Now fifth, which energy is present in the molecules of gas? Answer is kinetic energy. Now 6. What is matter? Answer, anything that occupies space, has weight and can be perceived by our senses is called matter. Now 7th, what is matter made up of? Answer is, matter is made up of molecules. Now question 8, give 3 properties of matter. Answer, 3 properties of matter are, first, it occupies space. Second, it has mass. Third, it can be perceived by the senses. Now question 9. What do you understand by intermolecular space? Answer is, The distance between the molecules in any substance is known as intermolecular space. Now 10th question. Now 10th question. What do you understand by collision? Answer: an encounter between particles such as atoms or molecules resulting in exchange or transformation of energy. Now 11th. How does change in temperature results in change of state? Answer is: on increasing temperature, the kinetic energy of the molecules increases and they can move freely, which results in the increase of spaces resulting in change of state. Now question 12. With the help of a diagram, explain the compression taking place in gases. I'll show you the diagram first. You have to draw this diagram in this question. Now the answer is: there is a lot of vacant space between the particles in a gas. We can force the particles closer by pushing the piston. The gas gets squeezed or compressed into a smaller volume. Now select the odd one out. Now first, melting, freezing, evaporation, sublimation. Sublimation is odd here because sublimation is the process in which solid directly changes into gaseous state and vice versa, but not in others. Now second is naphthalene, camphor, common salt. So what is odd here? Common salt, because common salt is not a sublimable compound but others are. Now third, water, juice, oil, ice cream. Here ice cream is odd because ice cream is in solid state but others are in liquid state. Now worksheet, page 16. First, unscramble the following words to make meaningful words. TAMTER, correct word is matter. MATTER. Second, DIULIQ, correct word is liquid. LIQUID. Now next, NIFDFOSUI, the correct word is diffusion. DIFFUSION. Now next is DOPSCEMSRE, the word is compressed. COMPRESSED. Now next is PSSECA, the correct word is spaces. SPACES. Now fill in the blanks. Dash have highest kinetic energy. Answer is gases. Now second, the intermolecular spaces are dash in solids. So answer is least. Now third, gases can be easily dash. Answer is compressed. Now fourth, liquids and gases have large dash intermolecular spaces. Now fifth, liquids expand on dash. Answer is heating. Now page 20, skill fill. Take naphthalene balls and wrap them in a piece of cloth. Now keep it in one side of your room. Question: what will you observe after few days? Next question is: do you know why does it happen? Now answer first is naphthalene balls will disappear. Answer second is due to the phenomena of sublimation. Now same worksheet, page 20. First question, complete the following sentences stating the reason. Now first, solids have high densities because of least spaces between the molecules. Now second, gases have high kinetic energy because intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules is least. Now third, naphthalene balls change into vapors because of sublimation. Now fourth, intermolecular forces decrease on heating because molecules get more kinetic energy. Now worksheet at page 20 is continued. Second question, fill in the blanks. The process of conversion of solid to gaseous state is known as sublimation. Now second, the dash forces of attraction keep the molecules together, intermolecular. Now third, the process of conversion of solid to liquid is known as melting. Now fourth, highest intermolecular spaces are present in gases. Now third question, give your conclusions. First, take a spoon of salt and place it on a wooden block. The salt remains on the block only. This shows that answer is molecules have more intermolecular force of attraction. Now second question, take a spoon of salt and dissolve it in water. The particles of salt mix with water without any rise in level of water. This shows that answer is molecules of salt occupy the space between the molecules of water. So with this your chapter first is finished. Thank you.